Hello, teacher. Hello,
Okay,
teacher.
hello, potato. Oh, potato, let's read. Telephone, telephone. Again. Potato, please read. Telephone. Potato, please read now. Telephone.
Telephone.
Telephones.
Okay.
Next. Book. Again. Book. Books. Potato. Book. Books.
Books. Books.
Pen. Pen.
Books.
Pen. Pens.
Books.
Say pens.
Books. Books.
Pen.
Pens.
Desk. Desk.
Pens.
Again.
Pen
Desk.
is pens.
No. Desk. Desk.
Desk.
Window. Windows.
Window.
Bed. Beds.
The best.
Board. Boards.
What was?
Next. Shoe.
Was.
Shoes.
Was.
Again. Shoe. Shoes.
You.
Next. Lamp. Lamps.
Lap. Clap.
Picture. Pictures.
Pictures.
Okay, very good. Wait me. Potato, you answer this one, potato. Write the plural for each word. Okay? Wait me. You answer. Oh.
Yes.
Okay. You write your answer. Write the plural of the word. Okay, potato, please write the plural form of the given words. Plant, plants. Okay, please write. Answer.
Yes. Thì chọn hình ảnh nha. Được của tôi đi. Yes.
Okay, potato. Go, please answer. Right.
I don't write.
Plant, plant. Just like this. The same. Oh, like this potato. Oh, plant. There's S. Oh, go. Pig, pigs. Pencil, pencil. Come on.
With me.
Yeah, teacher will wait. Just answer.
This. She is fast. She is irregular. She is irregular past. She is irregular past.
Erase. Okay, erase plants. Okay, answer now. Go, potato.
Cats and cats.
Yeah, put S. Where's the S? Plants. Plants.
Cats. Okay. Really? Yeah. House, class, class, Yeah.
Potato, put the S near. That's so far. Just put near.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not so far. Again. Write letter S near. Not far.
No, I like fall.
Oh, far is wrong. Near is correct.
I like fall.
That's wrong.
I
If you write it far, it means it's wrong. You're not correct.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Let me. I I don't like it.
You're wrong. You will get mistake if you will write it far.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Go now.
But you, I'm angry.
Go.
I don't like it.
Go now, please. Write it. Go now.
No. No.
Please.
Here.
Oh, what happened? That's wrong. Go now. Go, potato.
I don't.
Teacher will wait. Teacher will wait.
No. Here is
Perfect. That's correct. I love it. Another one.
easy.
Okay, very
No
good.
easy. It's
Go.
no easy. No
Correct.
easy. No easy.
Easy. That's easy. Go. Teacher will wait. Teacher will wait.
No, I don't have. What should I do?
Just copy and add S. Pig, pigs.
Here, paste, and paste.
Another one.
Okay. But I check.
Yeah, I will check later. Go. Pencil, pencils.
Okay. Wait, me. Okay, here. Now. Here. Yeah. Now. Here. 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 Please. and cup and nó có ít lò có ít lò nó có có ít lò 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 pencils pencil
Okay, next.
Okay, let me. I am doing. Let me. It's happened.
Okay, go. Table. Tables. Go. Right.
It's happening. Let me. I'm doing here. Okay.
Go
let me,
now.
I
Go now.
wash. Wash out. Wash out. No. No. It's Putin. I saw
Table.
Putin.
Put S. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, very, very good. Tables. Next.
Putin.
Next. Flower.
iPhone.
Go. Flower. Flowers. Again.
Yeah, flower.
Put S. Put S.
It's so different.
Oh, very good. Next, chair. Chair. Chair.
Bug.
Go now.
Mày nói thằng Cưng cô chứ. Thì cô đang hỏi sao còn thăm cái sắp ngủ. Cái
Okay,
gì?
now. Go now. Where are your answers? Why did you remove it? They're all correct. Where are they?
Chạy
What
đi Cưng gì á.
happened?
Viết lại đi.
Oh, wait. Oh, I will just write your answers. I saw your answers already.
What do you see? Bug.
Okay, look at here. Okay, please read potato.
Yeah.
Plant. Plants. Again.
Peppers.
Pig.
Pesos. Tables.
Table.
Flower,
Tables. Oh, very good. Flower. Flowers. Chair. Chairs. Yeah. Now, potato, these words with S are what we call plural words, okay? It means they are many, okay? If the
Yeah.
word or if the
Yeah.
noun is many, it means they are in plural form. If it's not many, then they are singular. So most common thing potato to do is to add S. Telephone, telephones. There's S. Book, books. Pen, pen. There's S. Okay. Careful, potato. Yeah. Okay. Now, potato, we will end there because it's already time. And we will continue lesson 4 next meeting. Okay? All right, potato. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
Bye.
teacher.